Hi everyone, my name is Jane and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be introducing some of my latest favorites and definitely some of the hottest skincare products from the brand Laneige. So these two I am already using. As you can see, this is already halfway used. This one I've been using for like 3 weeks now. So for those of you who are familiar with the Laneige cream skin, this one is the mist type. So you don't need to use a cotton pad anymore. You just spray this directly onto your skin. Usually after your toner, your moisturizer, and maybe your essence and serum. This gives your skin that glowy, hydrated, and moisturized look. It doesn't really smell like anything. Not at all. And then the best thing about this cream skin mist is you can apply this before you do your makeup or even after you do your makeup. It's more like a setting spray or something. So let me try that. Kind of gives your skin that instant glow and also extra hydration. Nowadays that the weather is getting colder and drier in Korea, this is definitely one of my favorite products. This is actually my second bottle already. Fortunately, I was able to buy this on sale. And when I got this, it came in this box with some freebies actually. And this one. And I still have this Laneige Water Sleeping Mask X. This one is for brightening, hydrating, and softening. And what's really cute about this is it came with this very small sample size or travel size cream skin refiner as well. This is actually refillable. So let's say when this goes empty, I don't really need to buy a separate like spray or mist bottle. I can just buy the usual cream skin refiner. Just refill this bottle. All you need to do is first you remove that cap so it doesn't fall, and then you just twist this open and you can just lift this. You just have to be really careful, of course. You just do that. You know that you can buy your cream skin refiner in a separate bottle, in a non-mist bottle, I mean. There's some kind of rubber inside. Just close that. Make sure it's tight and cover. So you see, this is a refillable bottle. And look at that. It gives your skin that extra hydration and glow, especially during the dry season or the cold season like it is nowadays in Korea. Now I'm gonna move on to the next product that I super love nowadays. You've seen this in my previous video, in my get ready with me video. This one is the Laneige Bank Blue Hyaluronic Serum in this, wow, super nice bottle. And okay, this right here at the back says, once the hole on the back turns red, get ready for a new bottle of serum. So this is how you'll find out that your serum is empty. So if this turns red later on, then you'll know that you need a new bottle. So it's not red yet. I've only been using this for 3 weeks. So this is how, of course, you open it. You just twist like that, and then you twist it back to close it. And then you will see this like head with a nozzle, like a small opening. And then you just pump it like that. Okay, so and then close it. So as you can see, this is the consistency of that serum. It glides so easily and smoothly on your skin, and you don't even feel like you applied something on your skin. I mean, of course, it looks glowy and much more hydrated, but it doesn't feel sticky at all. It also has this very gentle, I think, floral scent. So again, this is the Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Serum. Instant hydrating serum with a soft melting formula that instantly helps to replenish the skin with moisture and boosts firmness to reveal a lively look. We usually use this serum after toner and moisturizer or emulsion. And when I bought this serum, it actually came in like a promotion set like this. So these are some freebies that came with this. I only bought the serum, just the serum, and it came with these freebies. It was such a great deal. And this one is a wine bag. So how cute is that? Listen to the stories your skin is telling you. You know, I don't drink alcohol. I'm not a big fan of alcohol. So no beer, no soju, makgeolli or anything for me. But I can drink wine or anything that's sparkling. So sparkling wine, red wine, white wine, I'm okay with that. I mean, not a lot. Usually I just drink just this much. So this was a really happy freebie for me. The other items that this purchase came with, aside from this wine bag, are these. Okay, this one is the Laneige Blue or Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cleansing Foam. I haven't opened it yet. As you can see, this is still sealed. I don't really need to open it now because I still have a bunch of facial cleansers that I'm using at the moment. But the other thing that it came with is this mini or travel size full set sample. This is the Essence Toner, and then this is the emulsion. It's more like the moisturizer, and this one is the cream. We also have the serum. Okay, so the mini size serum, and it also came with a small eye cream, okay, or a small bottle of eye cream. So for a skincare fanatic like me, this is such a great deal because this one I can use when I'm traveling, or you know, before I move on to maybe a bigger bottle of, let's say, the cream or eye cream. At least I can try them first. Well, the thing is, I already have a bigger bottle of the toner and the emulsion here, and they also came with some freebies as well. If you buy this two-step set, it comes with the toner, and then this is also the emulsion here. It also comes with the 2 bottles of the travel size toner and emulsion, and then the cleansing foam. So they are the same size, the toner and the emulsion, and the facial foam is also the same size with this one. But like I've said, I am not yet gonna use this one. Actually, I've been contemplating whether to sell this because I already have the sample size here. I am not sure which one to like let go because like I've said, I still have some skincare products that I am yet to empty. If one of my friends is interested, I'm actually willing to let go of this first and give them a really good price, or maybe just give this one away so someone else can use it. But the thing is, it comes with the cream and the eye cream, so I'm like leaning towards keeping this and using it with this, and of course use it along with my Laneige cream skin mist, and later the cleansing foam. But this one I'll definitely be using and most likely repurchasing after I'm done with this. And this one too, the cream skin refiner mist. If you have any questions about any of these products that I've showed you, don't hesitate to leave a comment and ask me a question in the comment section down below. And if you like watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to support my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!